at SEMA 2018, we're going to stop by the Any Level booth and have them show us the new technology that they have coming up, that they have on display at the show. So make sure you guys, if you're at SEMA, come by and check out their booth, and we're going to go talk to them. We're over here in the Any Level booth, and we're going to have Aaron tell us a little bit about the build for this year.
Yeah, we've got a 450 here. Actually, this is one of two on the planet right now. We're debuting this design. This is all fresh for Any Level. We've got some new stuff up front where you can add in some face plates and some coloring and things like that, some updated lever arms. So now we can cover F350s and F450s. What's really, really trick about this, and something new, we're actually entered it into the new product showcases here, is the back end of this truck. It's got hydraulics and airbags. So I'll run the back up for you and give you a little rundown of that. TB, you put the back up. So this would go from stock to a 13-inch lift and any level in between. And if you scoot down here, you can see how we've got this subframe now with the airbags. So the airbags are now in parallel to the coilovers, so they act as a helper spring throughout the whole range of motion. So you have the added load capacity for when you're towing or you got a lot of payload in the back. We got an automatic load leveling valve on there like a tractor trailer, so it automatically will keep the truck level for you.